Good day. Today we are going to divide a number by 100. But before I demonstrate, I'd like you to pause the video, go and get a book and a pencil, and we'll work through the equations together. So pause the video now and go and get your paper and pencil. So today we are going to divide a number by 100. When we divide by 100, the number moves 2 place value columns to the right. So 2 place value columns to the right. Now I'll give you a clue to remember this. Just remember 100 has 2 zeros in it. So those 2 should remind you to move 2 places to the right. Right, let's look at the first equation. It says 7 divided by 100. Remember, when we divide by 100, we need to move it 2 place value columns to the right. So let's do that one. Count with me as I put the tokens in the ones column. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and we need one more. 7. So 7 ones divided by 100. How many spaces to the right should we move? That's right, 2 spaces to the right. So I'm going to move all of these 2 spaces to the right. 1, 2. So where's my 7 ones now? Move from the ones column to the hundredths column. So how do we write this answer? So here's nothing, there's nothing. So how do we write it? So if the 7 is there, we have nothing next to it in front of it. We have a decimal point. This dotted line is our decimal point. And because we have no whole numbers, we put a 0. So 7 divided by 100 is equal to 0.07. Let's try another one. Let's do 3 divided by 100. 3 divided by 100. I want you now to write that answer before we work it out together. So write down 3 divided by 100 and write your answer. Right, what did you get? Let's see, let's do it together and then you see if your answer is exactly the same as mine. So we have our 3 ones. We're going to divide by 100, so we're going to move it 2 spaces to the right. So 1, 2. So we've got 3 in the hundredths column, 0 in the tenths column, 0 in our ones. So what did you get? What was your answer? Shout it out loud with me. It is 0.03. Did you get that? Well done. It is 0.03. Good job. Now let's try a 2-digit number. So my equation is 20 divided by 100. So I'm going to put 20 on my place value chart. So where will I put 20? In the ones column or the tens column? Good. We put 2 in the tens column. So there I have my 20. And if I divide by 100, I need to move 2 spaces to the right. So count with me. 1, 2. So what's my answer? Remember my decimal point? There's nothing here, so I use a 0 to show the value. So my answer is 0.2. Right, now it's your turn. Your sum now is 40 divided by 100. Let's write it together. 40 divided by 100. Write that sum down and then work out your answer. Right, let's see what did you get. So we have 4 tens, which is 40, and we're going to move it 2 spaces, 2 columns to the right. Count with me. 1, 2. And what answer did you get? Let's see. If I put my decimal point here on the dotted line, my answer is 0.4. Well done if you got the same answer. 0.4. Good job. Right, now my new number is 31 divided by 100. Let's put 31 on our place value chart. So we have 1 ones and 3 tens. So 3 in my tens column. So 31 divided by 100. Remember 2 zeros, so 2 place value columns to the right. So count with me. 1, 2. Count again. 1, 2. Ah, what's our number now? It is 0.31. Say it with me. 0.31. Let's write the answer. It's 0.31. Right, now it's your turn. So get your pen and paper ready. Our new number is 42. No, 43. So I want you to do 43 divided by 100. So write the sum down. 43 divided by 100. Remember to move your counters 2 place values to the right. Right, let's see what did you get. Let's work it out together first. So count with me. 2 place values to the right. 1, 2. And this one, 1, 2. So what's my answer now? 0.43. Very good. Give yourselves a hand clap if you've got it right. 0.43. Good job. Now we have a 3-digit number. Let's look at our number, our equation. 295. So we have 295 divided by 100. Let's put that on our place value chart. So let's start with the ones. 5 ones. Count with me. Ones column. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In our tens column, we have 9 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And in our hundreds column, we have 2 counters. So let's read this number now. 295 ones. Divide that by 100. Right, let's do this one together. Remember, divide by 100, 2 place values to the right. So let's count. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. Wow! Let's see what is our answer. 2.95. Who's got that? Well done! Let me write it and let's see if you have the same answer. 2.95. Have you got the same? Good job! Well done! Well, I hope you enjoyed that. Just remember, when it's 100, it has 2 zeros, so 2 place values to the right. So when we divide a number by 100, we divide by 100 by moving the number 2 place values to the right. 2 zeros, 2 place values. I hope that was helpful and you will remember the rule.